Welcome, students, to your Unit 1, Week 5 vocabulary lesson. This week, our story is a chapter out of a larger book called Because of Winn-Dixie, which you probably have heard of. It's a very good book. Good read if you have some extra time or you need a good book. The vocabulary words we're going to be talking about this week the first one is peculiar. Something that is peculiar is strange or unusual. It was peculiar that no one was carrying an umbrella in the rain. These two dogs in the picture look a little peculiar dressed up in their wedding attire. Our next word is positive. To be positive is to be certain. We were positive that the tracks in the snow could only have been made by a bear. So when you're positive about something, you're absolutely certain about it. The next word is selecting. When you are selecting, you are choosing. Our committee was in charge of selecting a service project for the spring. So the committee was picking or choosing a project to do. Next, we have consisted. If something consisted of different things, it was made up of or contained those things. The hearty meal consisted of soup, salad, a sandwich, and an apple. What would you say that your typical day consisted of or was made up of? Our next word is advanced. Anything advanced is fully developed or past the beginning. After playing for years, Josh signed up for advanced tennis lessons. What other things could be advanced? Think about that. Or what might you be advanced at? Our last word this week is aware. If you are aware, you know or realize something. I am aware that we will have a math test on Friday. You should be aware of how to fill out your vocabulary slides, which is your next task. So you may continue on and get those filled out. Thank you.